Look at the question number 88. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So here LHS. So add this, the LCM becomes 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So in the numerator, sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus tan theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here sin theta into 1 is sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta into 1 is tan theta plus minus tan theta into cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is a minus b into a plus b form. Therefore, 1 square minus cos square theta implies sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta minus tan theta vanna ನಾವು sin theta by cos theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇನೆ into cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by the trigonometric identity, or 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus cos square theta ಬದಲು sin square theta ಅಂತ substitute. So in the numerator cos theta cancels. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ plus sin theta minus sin theta cancel ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So remaining is sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta divided by sin square theta. So ಇದನ್ನ split ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ sin theta into cos theta divided by sin square theta plus tan theta divided by sin square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin theta, 1 sin theta cancels. So cos theta divided by sin theta plus tan theta ವನ್ನ sin theta by cos theta ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ whole divided by sin square theta. So ಇದನ್ನ cos theta by sin theta as it is ಬರೀತಾನೆ plus sin theta by cos theta. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ so 1 by sin square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 sin theta cancels. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos theta by sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. So this becomes cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta plus 1 by cos. Reciprocal of cos is secant theta into reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. So this is equal to RHS. So hence the proof.